of civil emergency for vital war deliveries, and sometimes neighbouring overseas countries. And on average, a squadron, 40 squadron at topside, conducts 100 to 150 rescue missions a year. On board typically a crew of 5 for FAR operations, 2 pilots, 1 cabin operator, and operation with, and as a speed deployed on the aircraft being denoted by way of a flare, which seems to have been put out by the wind quite rapidly. But nonetheless, the helicopter crew just spotted the position of the survivor and is coming back in to effect the pickup. The undercarriage coming down and the helicopter will turn back inbound in order at 100 feet air to ground. North American P-51D Mustang, named Moonbeam Fly. The Mustang Mark 21, named Jersey Jerk from Ultimate Warbird Flights and Flight Aviation Engineering, based in Sywell. And then a very rare visitor back to Duxford after some years away, the Cavalier F-51D Mustang 2, named This Rebel from Giltema. Donald Strait himself was late for World War II. And there is Dan Griffith. Very interesting to see the 2 ex-soccer war Mustangs in the same slot there. They're 2 of several veterans of that conflict still flying in Europe alone. The Flying Bulls F4U Corsair from the Red Bull backed fleet in Austria is another one of them. We were due to be seeing our World War I aircraft, the DH9 and the Prophet TR1. Unfortunately, the wind is too much for them today, so a no-show from them, totally understandable in the circumstances. Emblematic of the Battle of the Atlantic, rolling first off the grass, a very sporty one, and following it shortly to the bottom of the runway, accommodated CBY-5A Catalina.